Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. Thought I'd record myself dry hopping Galactipa since a few of you reacted to the amount of hops I was going to put in. Also as a dry hopping video, why not? So here it all is. There's a lot of Galaxy hops, and here's my containers that it's going to go in. So I'm just, I got to sanitize these bags and that canister thing, so I'm just getting some water ready. You can see there's I put a thing, that's a scientific word for it, a thing in the bottom so that the bags don't burn on the element. So we'll just wait for that to come up to the boil, and while we wait for that, let's visit the old Galactipa. And we've got a sample coming out here, so I guess I'll go and measure that, see how it's going, and also give it a taste, why not? And just getting interrupted by the old kid who Jonah wants to swing. Alright, well, we've got plenty of time because there's a lot of water coming up to boil. So Jonah gets a swing, look at him go, wee, swing, 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 swing. Alright, there you go, kid. You look pretty happy. Resuming video now. Okay, so it turned out it's finished at 1.011 and it tastes alright, so that's good. So here we are, boiling water. This is how I'm sanitizing my gear. Those bags will go in, and there's the lid for the canister thing and the canister, and that is going to sit in there for 15 minutes so it gets good and good. And now Jonah has brought me a book called The Nose Pixies, which is about a boy with a very bad habit, as it turns out. I'm guessing this is some kind of international bestseller or something. Anyway, here we go. So 15 minutes, that's enough time, but it's not, because that's only been the bottom half doing its what. So now the top half is boiling, and now it's all done. That was another 15 minutes. So this thing's completely sanitized now, and I'm going to measure out about 30 grams of hops into there. There's going to be 230 in total, which works out to somewhere between 8 and 9 grams per litre for the whole batch. And now I'm just trying to fish the lid out while I drop it and get it again. And is it hot? It's not too hot. I'll put it on the top, screw it on. So that's hop thing number 1. Now the bag gets a knot in one end, and then the other end in goes all the Galaxy. So use these quality scissors to cut open the hop bag, and that is 100 grams of Galaxy. And I'll put a knot in you, and then bag number 2 gets the same treatment. Another full bag of Galaxy going in. What a lot of hops. This beer had better turn out good, because it's going to be an expensive failure if it doesn't. Anyway, up to the shed, and here we go again. So I put this guy in sideways so that the hops get kind of evenly spread through it. And then the bags, I kind of shuffle the hops into the middle. In they go. Number 1 and number 2. Yep. That's all done, and we are good. We are good. So there we go, 8 or 9 or something grams per litre of Galaxy. There's the dog, and everybody's happy. I'm really looking forward. I never look forward to bottling day, but I really am looking forward to bottling this so I can give it a try. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.